So you've run into this error, briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. But the only problem is you're stuck here. You have no idea how to get back to your WordPress account. You are clicking on links and all they take you is here. In this video, I'm going to give you a 1-minute fix on how to fix this issue, and you will be on your merry way to continue doing your website stuff. So the way to fix this is you log into your cPanel, like I've logged in here. Then you'd go to File Manager. So by clicking on File Manager here, or look for File Manager, and then you would go to your files here, and you'd find a .maintenance file. So you'll find that in the public_HTML. So once you arrive on your File Manager, you will come to public_HTML, that is there, and you look for a .maintenance file, and you want to delete this file. Now, for most of you, if you've never accessed this before, then you probably would not find that maintenance file because it's hidden. So what you need to do is go to Settings, go to Show Hidden Files, and click Save, and it would expose the hidden files. And you want to come here and delete that file. So the way you do that is by going to right-clicking and delete. Confirm. So when you get back here, you try reloading, it should take you back to your website as it was before. And there we are. Our website is now loading. Awesome. So the main reason why this error happens is because you clicked out of an update. So you are updating something and you clicked out of it, and so it continued being on maintenance mode without the page that was updating being currently active. So I hope that this helped you. Have an awesome day. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on if this worked for you. We publish these kinds of videos very often, so make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, bye.